right, Electric Boat Dude here. We're in the booth with eForce Marine, and we've got Juan here. Gonna chat with him, have some questions for him. So we're sitting here looking at, remind me, is it a 100 kilowatt unit?
So this one is a 80 horsepower rated unit. It goes up to 140 kilowatts, 140 horsepower. And yeah, this is the complete package as you can see it.
And so I'm seeing a radiator in here. That means you guys have got no seawater integration, no heat exchanger, like this is it. This is the powertrain.
Yeah, that is correct. So this is only air cooled, as you can see. It's low maintenance because all you have to worry about is the coolant every 2 to 3 years, and everything else is self-contained.
That is amazing. So onboard charger, DC to DC, what else is here part of this package?
So with the package, we have the onboard charger, as you can see, our inverter, of course, all the coolant system, and that's pretty much it. Anything else is taken care of with our control system.
Wow. And so you guys are going to be building these. Are you selling these to consumers, working towards OEMs? Where's that going?
So we focus on both sides.
Okay.
We like to do retrofits for both the consumers, but also we like to work business to business. For some commercial boats, certain applications, we do custom products as well.
Awesome.
So we set up our system with.
Open to anything, really.
Yeah.
And so we've got the battery pack over here. Looks like a distribution box. And so you guys have internal making batteries in-house as well, proprietary system?
Yes, that is correct.
Beautiful. And I see the label says NMC, and so 55 kilowatt hours. So you'd have 1 or 2 of these in a boat, maybe some more on a larger boat?
Yeah, that is correct. We use NMC. These are 55 kilowatts. We could go up the way to 78 kilowatts, different sizes, different shapes for the battery.
Okay, so you guys make a modular just kind of depending on what fits the package.
Yeah.
Beautiful. And I've been seeing the post about this new Aurora. What's the plans on that guy?
So recently we just announced that we're going to be doing an electric catamaran for release on 2026. As you can see here, it's going to be 30-footer, very wide beam of 10 feet.
Wow.
0 emissions, 0 noise.
Beautiful. And that's going to be made here in the U.S.?
Correct. 100% here.
Super exciting. So 2026, early, late?
No, early.
Wow. Wow. Maybe Miami next year or Palm Beach next year?
Yes.
Beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Hopefully for the next show.
Awesome. Anything else we should ask or talk about?
Yeah, well, we also are going to be able to integrate this with our eForce app, which is going to take care of the charging cycles, electronic switching, and just monitoring overall. So you can do everything from your phone.
Beautiful. So in terms of maintenance, though, there's nothing. I mean, I've sometimes have to deal with seawater pumps, heat exchanging issues with a lot of the seawater coming in. But without that system, you've got a closed loop cooling system. There's not a whole lot left. Is there any maintenance to this?
Not at all. Even with the battery pack, this is passively cooled, so it's not something you have to worry about. All the other systems are rated so they're resistant to corrosion and water. There's not going to be ingress of water, and everything else is just contained in this unit.
Wow, super exciting. Can't wait to see this on a boat. Thanks,
Awesome,
man.
Thank you.
Cool.